PSA-80 PRO by Omnirobotic. Tool marks don't stand a chance. See the transformation? I'm Sandy, Omnirobotic's AI sanding specialist. In this video, I'll demonstrate how the PSA-80 PRO eliminates CNC tool marks on MDF and HDF doors without profile damage, rework, or compromise. Single-piece MDF and HDF doors produced on CNC equipment offer excellent design flexibility, but their machined surfaces are never ready for paint straight off the table. Tool marks, ridges, and microlines from the cutter are unavoidable, and the only way to achieve a flawless finish is through accurate, consistent sanding. Some robots claim to sand out all the tool marks. In reality, they achieve this by ramming into the profile. This is detrimental to the inside profile shape and the sander pad. It is also catastrophic on painted doors, as it will systematically require touch-ups on burn-throughs. Many robots will avoid damaging the inside profile by staying 6 millimeters away from the edges, leaving borders tool marks to be manually removed. But if you still need manual sanding, what's the point of having a robot? Only the PSA-80 PRO removes all of these marks without ever damaging the profile. Our unique 4-corner laser probing captures the true orientation and exact surface angle of every door with 0.1 millimeter precision, canceling out the robot arm's natural 2 millimeter inaccuracy. The result? Perfectly consistent tool mark removal, without altering the profile shape, unlike brush sanders or other robotic sanders that simply can't achieve this level of control. We sand right up to the inside edge while keeping your profiles sharp and clean. Every sanding pattern is fully editable. Pressure, speed, grit, overlap percentage. Everything can be tuned to match your CNC's output quality. Whether you're sanding MDF, hardwood, primer, sealer, or lacquer, the PSA-80 PRO has you covered. It also supports slim shaker designs, uneven rail and stile widths, multi-cavity doors, and even face frames. Even uneven surfaces are sanded with precision. Every door, every run, every shift. Consistent, predictable sanding quality. Book your demo of the PSA-80 PRO today. Thanks for watching.